Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Sheriff Toadster Clock from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw a curve up and over to the left. And the same thing on the right side. Now from both ends, let's continue it by curving it down and in. And then close it off at the bottom with a curve across. And that's it for the shape of the body. Now let's move in and let's draw the eyes. On top, let's draw 2 circles. And then let's hop in and let's draw another circle in each eye on the right side. And now let's color them both in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move on top and let's draw the hat. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve across on the right side. And then let's curve it up on both sides. And then close it off at the top. Now let's color this section in black. Now for the top of the hat, let's draw a curve up and back down in the center. And color this in black as well. And that's it for the hat. Now let's move down and draw the clock face. Let's start inside at the bottom and let's draw a large circle. Now let's hop into the center and let's draw another smaller circle. Then for the hands of the clock, let's draw 2 vertical lines up on top. And a line across the top. Now let's hop down and let's draw 2 angled lines on the left that are shorter. And then close off the end as well. And that's it for the Sheriff Toadster Clock. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!